Here's part 3 and the final part of the Maji Maji rebellion. On August 4th of 1905, Kinjeketile Ngwale was arrested by the colonizers and was charged for treason, where he was hanged to death. The news about his death spread like wildfire, and the uprising became hotter than the sun in Juba. To their surprise, their fight against the colonizers was still ineffective. The water did not work, but it's no surprise that it did not work because they did not follow Kinjeketile Ngwale's initial instructions. 2 months later, the colonizers began a counter-attack on the indigenous people of Tanganyika, using guns and inflicting famine. Now, it is estimated that between 180,000 people to 300,000 people died during this uprising, reducing the local population by up to a third. Keep in mind that during the same period, the Germans were committing genocide in Namibia between 1904 and 1908. We as Africans need to talk about our history because we understand our culture's nuances much better than anyone else. Kinjeketile Ngwale never claimed to be a priest, a medium, or whatever else that people are saying out there today. He simply shared with his community what happened to him and captured the imagination of the people. Now, you can travel all around the African continent and hear similar stories of Africans coming into contact with the spiritual world and beyond. In the aftermath of the Maji Maji Uprising, the colonizers were left with major challenges due to the death and displacement of hundreds of thousands of people. They were left with no option but to change their whole approach in the region. The Maji Maji Uprising inspired Africans beyond reach and gave rise to nationalist consciousness, which played a key role during the country's decolonization period. Kinjeketile Ngwale brought together various groups in the fight for freedom, and although his holy water did not work, it definitely took the fear of fighting away from the people. He is a trailblazer of nationalism in Tanzania today. They may not have won the fight, but they surely did win the battle. Until next time, bye.